Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker7 here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the baby filter trend that has been going around. Now, it can be done using this application called Remini. You can find this on the Google Play Store and on the App Store. So let's go ahead and launch the application. Now, if it's the first time you're installing and using the application, you'll have the option to access trial for 3 days after installing. So let's go ahead and launch. Now, as you can see here, we have the option to enable trial if we aren't sure. So let's All right, so after you've activated the trial, as you can see here, since we've already generated some images, now chances are you've probably done the other trend or any other trend with this. So you could see here we could change the model. Now, if we only have the baby here, we would upload. But what we could actually do is to retrain. So select the settings cog, retrain. Yes, delete this model. And let's set up a new profile. Select your gender or the gender which you want to use in the generation process. Upload these selfies. Click on continue and then select this model image and wait for the photos to be uploaded. After the photos have been generated, you can go ahead and download the one you want. You could swipe left to cancel, swipe right to save, and click on the download icon. Now, this one looks really nice. So we're just going ahead and we're saving all of these. So that's basically it, and then it will generate a video. You could save the video. That is how to do the baby filter trend that has been going around on TikTok. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. So thank you for watching. Hacker7 out.